Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chrome extensions in TrafficBotPro. You should add the extension to Chrome first of all. Turn on developer mode and remember the extension ID, which we'll use later. Then check the extension in TrafficBotPro settings. We can tell it from the ID we saw just now. Next, start to create a task. I'll take Browse Directly as an example. Add the task name, target URL, referrer URL. Some other options on this page, you can set up as you wish. After you save the task, you can set up a schedule here. Then, click Run to run the task. We will find that the extension we just checked is already used in this window. Alright, that should be all. Thanks for watching.